I'm a buy my son on 17 Pro Max. Bear in mind, you know, him then on my WhatsApp, him can't see my status. Him in my WhatsApp, the little boy in my WhatsApp. Then I post up my son, you know what the little boy do? You know the little bad man boy I do? The little bad man, dirty blood type boy I do? The little boy got in my WhatsApp, screen record my status and build a fake page to try to put out the little boy story on blood clot internet. Bad man Cuban, dirty nasty Cuban. Him not know you, him not doing nothing batty boy. You gonna make fake page and put up the little boy like you want out the little boy drunk, bro. You know say me we out here out, bitch. It's like you forget who my blood clot is. No ramp with me, and no ramp with him. Dirt alert. Me don't care. I don't care. Yeah, I got bill of blood. Remember, I have the evidence in my blood clot phone.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. A minute upon the beat, and as you can see, on the screen, we have a whole heap to deal with. We have sea business to deal with, and we have land business to deal with. You see, my awesome people, so let's just deal with the most important one first. Hurricane Melissa. You see, my say, as you can see, the place is away. You know what I mean? These are some of the shelters that's available if we need shelters, because you know a lot of Africans in Jamaica is displaced and have no home, no nothing, and them live a gully, bank and all of these things, you see what I say? So if we don't have any of these families in any of these areas or close to these areas, these are some of the hurricane locations where them can go across the island. You see my some people putting out the comment section if you know anybody that is stranded, you see me? You know what I mean? These are the information and I can go give them because boy, oh boy, oh boy. Dog, post, lizard, and snake. I look shelter at them time, you know.
I'm not lie, watch it. Back up now. Oh, a big old blood clot snake that you know. Wonder if him sting. I don't know say. Oh God, it's supposed to have more family there. Oh God, Dante, we have to pull on the house again. Leave! Watch it. Leave! Leave! Oh God.
Leave, young blood! Under the name of God, I rebuke you, Satan! Satan, I rebuke you! Rebuke! Go back!
Stop it. Him call her pretty, but
yeah,
lad.
Compliment the snake.
Oh.
You get so close to me! I rebuke you.
Okay, people, now that we took care of the land creatures, let's deal with the sea creatures. Because you know, say, Snowman is back. And he's back, pan Akeem back. You see, man, say, and him say, him buy Akeem one iPro 17 for his birthday. You feel me? So this means that Akeem and Snow is still in cahoots. And it's kind of embarrassing because you know the whole idea with Was. I know, boy, because you know Was did spoil Akeem buying BMW and them teeth are bleaching thing. I know Snow, they buy Akeem iPhone 12. I know buying him iPhone 17. You know what I mean? So I'm going to see a video with Akeem I talk about, you know, him pass with Was. And then we see Snow come and talk about him get, you know, Akeem iPhone 17. So them still a link. So you're going to see this video with Akeem talking at the end. But let's hear what I go on for that to go on with Snow, isn't it? Because it look like one man who are precious Snow is jealous over the things I do for Akeem.
Yeah, what I'm doing, I don't understand why me why I'm for disagree with that little blood clot boy, yeah. The little boy, when my text me on everything, I never used to pay him no mind. I'm from a long time. I said 2 years ago, the little boy I look me. I never used to pay him no mind. Anybody come foreign. I made that friend, I'm just start text. I'm a show me, I'm tell me say. I'm true, no, I'm start that different, this and that. I can't come look for me or whatever. Anyways, I'm start text. The text on me, my text girl. Him say want to come and see me. Anyways, my little boy come look for me. Him come, him look for me, and then him go home the next morning. Bear in mind, this little boy have a next page where I'm build a fake page and I text my son. Him build a fake page and I text my son. I look friend for my son. While living at my son living at my house. Him I look friend from my son. I texted my son, I my son about beer this and that. They asked my son beer kill his arguments. Anyways, it was my son's birthday. I'ma post him up on my status. I can switch back the image them in the green screen. I'ma post up my son on my status. I'ma turn to my son. I'ma say it's your birthday. I'ma go treat you nice to your birthday. I'ma buy my son a 17 Pro Max. Bear in mind, you know, him then on my WhatsApp, him can see my status. Him in on my WhatsApp, the little boy in on my WhatsApp. Then I post up my son, you know what little boy do? You know the little bad man boy I do? The little bad man dirty blood type boy I do? The little boy got in on my WhatsApp, screen record my status and build a fake page to try to put out the little boy story on blood clot internet. Bad man Cuban, dirty nasty Cuban. Him not know you, him not doing nothing batty boy. You gonna make fake picture put up the little boy like you want out the little boy drunk crow. You know say me we out here out bitch. It's like you forget who my blood clot is. No ramp with me and no ramp with him. Dirt alert. Me don't care. I don't care. Yeah, I got bill of blood. Remember I have the evidence in my blood clot phone. Have me not come with fuckery. I have the evidence them in my blood clot for nasty Cuban. I used to get tat at the iceberg. A tat you. Drunk crow. You texted for me obsessed over blood clot me. Stop texting for me. I ya pitney. Stop texting for me. Me no fuck pitney. Germs. You come to me. First time I tell you, I know that boy. I know that boy. Him fuck my son named AJ. I know him. I know him fuck my son. I'm turn to me say, I'm say, me not go look on the little boy and I tell the little boy say me at least 100 messages a day. Text on my blood clot phone. Text on my blood clot phone night and day. When my guy me at the man, you know, him tell me I beg my 20 grand. Him cocky little and sad. I tell him him can't get my blood clot 20 grand. I'ma close him out. You know, after the little boy leave the house, me have to get up the man and put on going out blood clot clothes. And tell him I go on the road for the little boy leave the house. The little boy lying on my house and I want to let my blood clot out. I go screen a my status and build fake page and put out the little boy nasty Cuban. You know, see enough from better you post up blood clot me. But when you try to come for blood clot him, me I go dealt with you properly. Me I got dealt with it properly. Can you see only boy what talk about so chop and this and that on make no blood clot into the nasty and dirty go wash on the underpants. I'm upset to the point where I'm willing to tear you down. I am willing to tear you down because on a little boy on a bad mind and I make the blood clot sense. I the 1phone by little boy hurt you up, sir? The phone I buy for little boy hurt you up, sir? The orange phone? And the orange blood clot phone get your GG? May I come off of my life? Come and tell you I tap me, they go touch you. I tell you I tat, may I come tat you. So I tap, me come tat you now. I screen a carbon touch just a pure fake page to me. I have a company media come bring him down. Nisi, I have some people, I don't want to tap on the live reach wall, I'm going to tap the story how it go. I can't see it on Instagram, I have to sell it over here, so. But him have to get a tat. I have to touch him a little bit. He have a few pieces of the motion. What you say? No, you don't have to tap up the screen. Don't have to tap up the screen. You don't have to tap up the screen. Him rude. Oh, you got a fake page I put up the little boy. Your name from somewhere? Germs. Your name from blood clot somewhere? Dirt alert. Your name from somewhere? On two bad mind. On two blood clot bad mind. Watch out, who them man? Jesus Christ. Come off of my life, may I block you. Come off of my life, may I block you. Come off of my life. Yeah. No, me not good. Me not good, Kimaboo. The page name Q Ban Everywhere. See him there? See him there? Look at him face good. When I see him face, tell me if you not see him blood clot face. Q Ban Everywhere. Team name on Instagram. Him love tranny. Him like to this is about text set on my Instagram. Text set on my Instagram. Him text me down and calm me down 19 times for the blood clot. Him text me down and calm me down. Text me down, calm me down, text me down, calm me down. We don't go hear what I'm do. When I go hear what I'm do, and then I understand what I mean. What I'm for disgrace that little blood clot boy, yeah. The little boy, when my text me down everything, I never see him no mind. I'm from a long time. I just said 2 years ago, little boy, I look me. I never see him no mind. Anybody come foreign. I'm that friend, I'm just start text. I'm a show me, I'm tell me say. I'm tell me say, I'm a show no, I'm start that different, this and that. I can't come look for me or whatever. Anyways, I'm start text. The text of me, my text girl. Him say want to come and see me. Anyways, my little boy come look for me. Him come, him look for me, and then go home the next morning. Bear in mind, this little boy have a next page where I'm build a fake page and I text my son. Him build a fake page and I text my son. I look friend for my son. Well, living at my son living at my house. Him I look friend for my son. I text my son and my son about beer this and that. They ask my son beer kill his arguments. Anyways, it was my son's birthday. I'm gonna post him up on my status.
Now let's hear Akeem talk about wasp.
When me that say to remember when me and was just that talk. Yes, when me I say ask anybody. So when man just know what's there on Nikki Chromas. Yes, when me I say she did a work for Nikki Chromas. You see, and she can tell you. She did it and me I say to her say, yo B, me see her, she do her thing and it's not ready, you know, but it's like me see more in her where she could have do. Yes, when me I say, nobody never see it in her, but me did see more in her, and me did see her real value in her wasp, bro. You see it, and I say to her say, I say, yo B, people know you as a girl that sell cream, you know. Why you not start sell your own thing? And she say, you know, so me did that thing about it and them little thing there. And me I say, yo baby girl, you say if you do this, me know say yo, it would have work. Yes, when me I say, what say to me say, Akeem, alright, then me go see what I want. Bro, what's this a woman she start? You know sell 1 and 2 people in her thing that before she start promote it and make a page. Bro, yes, when she do make the page, remember me there on her right through, you know, me I was about she go deliver cream and them little thing then. And I make a decent amount of money, you know. When she just come around, you know, and me and her there and with me and her mix the cream them together and everything, you know. Bro, remember it's not my business, or what's business, bro. Yes, what me I say, but me just dead with her foot by foot and step by step with her, bro. I help her mix the cream. When I time them and me I mix the cream them. And she pop them and label them. You see it? And we drive go Ochi, we drive go Senti, we drive go be a place to deliver a cream, you know, because nobody never did really want. It never so established so we couldn't even send it off them time. You see what me I say? People, me and her dead and You know, nobody never knows that we used to talk, you know. Bro, guess when the media knows me and her start talk. Remember, you know, nobody don't know about what's in, bro. I can tell you, you know, what's the live a country, you know, bro. So yes, when was come a town, and me and her, me are the first man she there with, we live in Kingston. You see what I say? So I start show her the ropes, bro. You say if you don't think I lie, when you can ask her she herself, I start show her the ropes in a town. Them time then she older than me, because I'm younger than her, you know. And I start show her the ropes in a town and them look think that me and the girl did it like 2 power couple, brother. I would drive up and down and sell the cream. That's when she make it page. She make it page and she start get 1 and 2 promotion and them little thing there. Bro, the thing kick off, you know. But it kick off on a normal pace. I say, she decides to start the YouTube because she used to love watch Gio and Ken and them little thing there. She decides to, yo, we gotta start the YouTube, you know. And me I say, yo, alright then, for me chat, me personally, me never want the YouTube. Me I be honest with you. But this I'm a girl, I'm a lover, so me I do it for please her, bro. You see what me I say? Me I do it for please her. Anything for make she happy, yes. Come make we do YouTube. But this I say, babes, come make we do YouTube. And me and her stay so boom, I will start the YouTube and people, yes, when we start, boom, blow up, you know. You see what me I say? And me I look on it and me I say, you know, say anything me touch, always turn gold. Because me always going out with a clean heart and prayer, bro. Bro, yes, when we start the YouTube, everybody in the world start order girl cream. We are make money, people. We just sit down when I time them. We could even deposit money. Cause them, the machine them time them, I don't know. If them do it same way at 300,000 at the daily limit, you can deposit. Amount of people are send money for buy cream, amount of wholesale and them like a thing there. We did have. We could not deposit them money there. Money overflow, we have to lock our money, you know, man. The support start coming, big me yourself, bomb not. People, girl go buy a Benz, so she name was Benzema. Me and her go buy a Benz. First time, first carry girl I buy, she go buy one Benz, so she name was Benzema. And the girl post it and it fuck up the place. You see what I say? And then she go again the next month and buy a Beamer and it fuck up the place. You see it? And we get one nice little apartment moving and we are doing YouTube and I do it thing. And then it's just people, bro. Just people, bro. It's happening so. Me and the girl now see nothing really eye to eye and so we kind of break apart. But me I tell you, anything I put myself in any relationship, friendship, anything I go in, bro, I'm going in for the better. You see what I say?
I bet things are going. That's why if you do the right thing and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and press all there for you be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews and gossips. Bless.